Quinoa, a staple in South American cuisine, is not only rich in protein but also contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. It's also gluten-free and packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. When preparing quinoa and vegetable soup, ensure you select fresh and vibrant vegetables. Opt for firm carrots, zucchini, potatoes, and ripe tomatoes. Choose high-quality quinoa and rinse it thoroughly to remove any bitterness. Additionally, using vegetable broth instead of water enhances the flavor profile of the soup. 1. Begin by rinsing the quinoa under cold water to remove any saponins, which can impart a bitter taste. 2. In a large pot, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add diced onions and minced garlic, sauteing until they become translucent and fragrant. 3. Add chopped carrots, zucchini, potatoes, and tomatoes to the pot, stirring to combine with the onions and garlic. 4. Pour in vegetable broth, covering the vegetables, and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer until the vegetables are tender. 5. Stir in the rinsed quinoa and let the soup simmer until the quinoa is fully cooked and tender. 6. Season the soup with salt, pepper, and any desired herbs or spices, such as thyme or parsley, to enhance the flavor. 7. Serve the quinoa and vegetable soup hot, garnished with fresh herbs for added freshness and aroma. Quinoa and vegetable soup is a hearty and nutritious dish that makes for a satisfying lunch or dinner option. Packed with protein from the quinoa and an array of vitamins and minerals from the vegetables, this soup is not only delicious but also nourishing for the whole family. Its versatility allows for customization with your favorite herbs and spices, making it a go-to recipe for any occasion.